Are you ready to begin a career in massage therapy? With our accredited training, you can study to become a level 3 beauty massage therapist or a level 3 sports massage therapist, giving you the skills and confidence to work in salons, spas, wellness clinics, or even start your own business. Our courses are fully accredited and certified by professional awarding bodies, ensuring you meet the highest industry standards. You'll learn both the science of massage and the art of practical hands-on massage, guided step by step in supportive hands-on training. This is your chance to turn passion into profession with the National Wellness Academy, the East Midlands Academy for Holistic Therapists and Holistic Entrepreneurs. Inquire today by emailing enquiries@thenwo.co.uk or visiting our website at thenwo.co.uk and begin your journey into the world of massage therapy now.